Welcome friends, Favaz with you from Shaastec International. We build warehouses with a lot of passions. So this video I would like to give you some basic warehouse construction tips that will help you to make wonderful warehouses in the future. So first of all, plan your warehouse layout carefully to optimize the space and increase the efficiency. Then while considering the floorings, always use durable and low maintenance materials. Always seal your warehouse properly to reduce the energy consumptions. Next one is consider the natural ventilations and lighting for your warehouse. That will reduce the usage of artificial lightings and HVAC. Then always install fire suppression system like fire alarm, firefighting system for your warehouse. That will protect your warehouse. Next one is while planning these warehouses, always consider the future expansion also. So put some cushions for these expansions and consider the space accordingly. Next one is always follow local building codes and regulations for construction of your warehouse. Next one is always hire a professional architects and contractor for building your warehouse. That will give you peace of mind for your operations. Then after building this warehouse, always do a routine inspections and maintenance for your warehouse. That will give you life for your warehouse. So that's all for now. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.